Hi, welcome back to a new vlog. So today is Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday and I have some order to deliver. These things are going to Belgium, but I'm sending it to Accra. The person to receive it here is in Accra, so I'm going to do the delivery. Let me show you what the person got. So she got anklets, 4 pieces of anklets, and then waist beads. The husband is called Kofi. So I customized this one for her. And then this one, it was supposed to be plain. And I also decided to help her to be naughty. So I made this for her. This one that says, I made that for her. And again, you know that whenever you buy from me, I also go the extra mile to say thank you in a special way. So I made this bag for her. Because this person is not here and couldn't give me the accurate measurement, we decided to make the majority of them using strings and then using thread. Then the ones that I use this cord, I have not fully completed it, so I will teach her the technique. I'll give her a plier so that because for this one, because of how this is, it couldn't be made using the thread, and because she is outside Ghana, with this particular thread especially, you have to get the accurate size of the person before you can complete or fully lock it. And because she is not here to susu or what to do the fittings, I did not completely seal it. So I'll add a plier to it and give her a tutorial online so that she does it herself. So I'm going to do the delivery, and then we'll go to my bee shop to go and get some accessories to come and complete, to go and get some bees to come and complete what I want to gift you people. My ladies, if you are married to a man that loves bees, don't say you don't like it to come and buy, come and shop. This one, when the husband called, he said, "Mommy, good morning." And I responded, and he said, "I have my number plate with you. Are my number plates ready?" For a minute, I was lost. I changed the dress. So this is the length of the dress. The other one was like this, but then it was very slippery. This one is pure cotton, it doesn't shift unnecessarily. So that is that. The husband just called. The first day the man called, it was the woman that placed the order. So when the man called, he said, "Mami Bema, I have my number plate with you." And for a moment, I was completely lost. So I told him that I don't work at DVLA. I don't have any number plate belonging to you with me. Then I remembered, and I said, that special number plate, you see, this is to tell you that some men, they love it. Some men love to have waist beads on their women. So if you happen to find such a man and you don't like it, you don't have to walk around with the beads. You can just be wearing it as and when the need arises. After all, it's Toma. Your box that it's for a purpose. So for that purposeful act, you wear it or you wear them, okay? When is it? 25. I'm about me have a phone. Metal and Ruby account. I can see it. Mommy.
Okay. Make it so.
Anna, Nick has a cacran, yes,
We're 28. We're 20.
But what are you?
That's what 17. 17.
Now, anyway, you ask a price.
They're very soon. I know you're 20.
Me and my papa teacher. Good morning. I want to believe you are doing well. I am here to end the vlog. Thank you so much for your love over the years. I have gotten Sarah. I got her yesterday. Honestly, I made that video because of her, because I put up a community post and still I did not hear from her. So I made, though I had the video in mind, but trust me, yesterday wasn't the day I planned making the video. But I've gotten her and I told her that I want to deliver something through her to someone in Tema. I think she's gotten the hint, but then she's playing along. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you. This is something that I have started small, and I know that by the grace of God, with the strength and the right resources, I'll be able to appreciate almost all of you. Yeah, almost all of you. I walked home from town, so I decided to take a cold bath, and my body is doing, hey, it is not easy, guys. Until I drop another video your way, I pray that whenever you say a prayer, you don't forget to say one for me and my household. And I leave you with the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace. Says, I just finished bathing you and my body is I bath cold water. And so, I'll see you in my next video. Okay?